Number 11. Play darts. It means to engage in the game of darts.
We play darts at the local pub. We play darts at the local pub. They set up a dartboard to play darts. They set up a dartboard to play darts. Playing darts requires good aim and steady hands. Playing darts requires good aim and steady hands.
Number 12. Play a football game. It means to participate in a game of American football.
The team plays a football game this Saturday. The team plays a football game this Saturday. He watched them play a football game. He watched them play a football game. They won the last football game they played. They won the last football game they played.
Number 13. Play a football match. It means to participate in a match of soccer, known as football in many countries.
The club will play a football match tonight. The club will play a football match tonight. They lost the football match by 2 goals. They lost the football match by 2 goals. She scored during the football match. She scored during the football match.
Number 14. Play games. It means to engage in games, can imply deception in non-literal usage.
Kids love to play games at parties. Kids love to play games at parties. She doesn't like people who play games in relationships. She doesn't like people who play games in relationships. Let's play games to pass the time. Let's play games to pass the time.
Number 15. Play a game of. It means to start or engage in a specific game.
Let's play a game of Monopoly tonight. Let's play a game of Monopoly tonight. They played a game of basketball yesterday. They played a game of basketball yesterday. How about we play a game of trivia? How about we play a game of trivia?